Greetings, one and all, and welcome to the Open Handed Classroom. I want to extend a special thank you to you, yes, you, for stopping by. Now, students, note that this question is a multiple choice question, and I got this question from the 2018 Paper 1 Chemistry BGCSE examination. And note that currently this question is unsolved, but I assure you that by the end of this video, this question would be completed. But I have a question. I have a question for you, and the question is the following. Are you ready? Are you ready? Then let's dive in. We begin by reading the question. And the question states the following. Which method is best suited to separate a mixture of oil and vinegar? Is it A, chromatography? Is it B, decantation? Is it C, distillation? Or is it D, filtration? Again, which method is best suited to separate a mixture of oil and vinegar? Is it A, chromatography? Is it B, decantation? Is it C, distillation? Or is it D, filtration? I am going to give you an opportunity to attempt this question on your own, so please pause the video, attempt this question on your own, and I'll see you on the other side of the pause. Okay, now that you have attempted this question on your own, let us proceed to answer this question together. First, let's consider certain definitions. What is distillation? What is distillation? Distillation is a process involving the conversion of a liquid into vapor that is subsequently condensed back to liquid form. Okay, but what is chromatography? What is chromatography? Chromatography is an analytical technique commonly used for separating a mixture of chemical substances into its individual components so that the individual components can be thoroughly analyzed. But what is filtration? What is filtration? Filtration is the process in which solid particles in a liquid or gaseous fluid are removed by the use of a filter medium that permits the fluid to pass through but retains the solid particles. But what is decantation? What is decantation? Decantation is a process to separate mixtures by removing a liquid layer that is free of a precipitate or the solids deposited from a solution. The purpose may be to obtain a decant, liquid free from particulates, or to recover the precipitate. A common example of decantation of oil and vinegar, a common example is decantation of oil and vinegar. When a mixture of the two liquids is allowed to settle, the oil will float on top of the water, so the two components may be separated. Kerosene and water can also be separated through decantation. In light of the information given, let us consider the following question. So, is the answer to the question chromatography? The answer is no. Is the answer C, distillation? The answer is no. Is the answer D, filtration? Nope. The correct answer to this question is B, decantation. The method best suited to separate a mixture of oil and vinegar is decantation. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in a next video.